Let's add a way to mark tasks as completed. Just as we did with creating tasks, we will start by defining the route. Route.patch /tasks/:id tasks controller.update. This route accepts an ID as a parameter, which will be the ID of the task to mark as completed. Next, let's add the button for marking a task as completed. I will get rid of this and add a form. This will be to /tasks/ the ID of the task task.id $method equals patch. This query string is called method spoofing, since HTML forms aren't capable of making requests other than get and post. But for this to work, we need to allow method spoofing in our application. This can be done inside the app.ts file. We'll set it to true. Let's not forget to add the CSRF field. Instead of using a button, we will make use of a checkbox. The name will be completed. And I'll get rid of this. We want the form to be submitted once the checkbox is checked. A quick way to achieve that is to make use of the onChange JavaScript event. onChange, then this.form.submit. Let's see how it looks in the browser. Refresh. Not bad. Now let's create the update method. Public async update. I'll pull in request, response, session, and params. First, let's get the task we are trying to mark as completed. Const task await task dot find or fail. This will accept the ID of the task, which you can get from params. Params.id. Having gotten the task, we can now update the isCompleted property. Task.isCompleted. Instead of setting this to true, I'm going to use the value from the checkbox. So request.input completed. Then we need to cast this to Boolean. Doing it this way will allow us to be able to make use of this same method to mark a task as completed as well as mark a task as uncompleted. Then we can persist the changes to the database. Await task.save. Then we will flash a success message. Session.flash notification task updated. Finally, we will redirect back to the page. Let's try it out in the browser. Refresh. We can now mark tasks as completed, but as it stands, there is no way to tell which task has been marked as completed or not. Let's fix that. Once a task has been marked as completed, we want the checkbox to be checked. Task.isCompleted. If the task has been marked as completed, we will check the box. Otherwise, we won't. Let's also add a kind of indicator on the task title. I'm going to wrap this in a div. If the task has been completed, we will add a class called completed. Otherwise, we won't add any class. Let's add the styling for the class. We'll do that inside the layout file. The styling will simply be a line through on the title. Text decoration. Line through. Let's head back to the browser. Refresh. Now we get the indicator that this task has been marked as completed. Everything is working as expected.